Yeah, so all my stuff's arrived. I've got my power wattage, my power supply unit rather. My well, this is everything except the case. This is everything that's going to go into here. This is my case. Yeah, let's start opening it. I may cut out little bits because I will be cutting shit open, so yes. In fact, yes, I'll do that now. Right, I've opened everything up. I've got my case and I've got all my parts. One of the most important ones is the FX Bulldozer, the AMD FX Bulldozer, which is 3.6 GHz I think, and it's 8 core, so yeah, that's good. We've got 4 gig each, one stick of 4, one stick of 4, so you know, 8 altogether. You've got the motherboard itself, which is an Asus 990 FX chipset I think, so that can fit onto that. You've got your GPU, obviously wristband to make sure that I don't blow any of my parts up, and oh, my phone's going off, and you've got the hard drive in an anti-static bag to make sure I don't blow it up, and well, that's it really. I'm not going to explain in detail because, to be honest, I can't be bothered. So here I am, 2 days after building the PC. Everything's turned out, in fact, better than I hoped anyway. Well, better than I planned. I thought I was going to mess up on something, but no, everything works fine. I've downloaded Crysis 1. It works on that full spec, not even a jitter. Works just like perfectly how it should be. Oh, that's the massive fan that comes with the case, by the way. I've had no problems. I can barely hear the system. It's running at like fucking mad specs, but I barely hear like a peak from it. So yeah, I'll go through with that. Well, with what I've got. We've got a DVD writer there, 500 gig SATA free hard drive. My AMD 8150 Bulldozer, 8 core processor that is. That runs at 3.6 GHz and clocks up to 4.2 when you do certain things such as play games or create models for games. Got 1000 watts PSU because, well, if I'd had any less it would probably blow the system up because it needs quite a bit. Yeah, we've got my graphics card, my NVIDIA graphics card, and I'll be honest, I heard quite a lot of things about this graphics card. I heard it was good, and I also heard it was bad. Now, whoever said it was bad must be on fucking crack, because this thing works perfectly. We've got my sticks of RAM, my both 4 gig DDR3, I think it's, is it 1333, yeah, I think it's 1333 megahertz, something like that. That runs perfectly. You got my fan that cools the inside as well as that. The fan with that, there's a fan with that, and there's a fan with the graphics card. You don't usually get a fan with a graphics card, but, well, actually you do now with quite a lot of the new graphics cards because they just need a lot of power basically. What else have we got? Take it around the back. We've got all these ports. That probably needs aligning a little bit. I think it's maybe a little bit out, but that's my graphics port. Move that on, sack it. Yeah, you've got your HDMI and you've got your 2 DVIs. You've got, God, I'm not even certain. They're all speakers. I think it's 7.1, something like that. I tried it yesterday with my Dr. Dre Beats and it sounded brilliant actually. Then you've got your Ethernet, 2 USB, another 2 SATA, and also I think it says it is also, no, eSATA, also USB. Another 2, and you got another eSATA, another 2. Then you've got more on the back, not more on the back, sorry, that's on the back, or on the front. Obviously you've got your, in fact, let me turn it on its, no, in fact, that's probably not a good idea. But yeah, there's my DVD here, and This is what I love about this is you click it, it pops out. You click it and it goes back in. But basically, what it is, it's two USB ports, mic, speaker, not speaker. Well, I suppose you could use speaker for it if you wanted, but headphones and eSATA. Obviously, that's the power button. And that is pretty much it. Everything else is just connections, and you don't need to know about that because that's all boring. You've got your north bridge, you've got your south bridge, all your PCI slots. With this specific motherboard, this one that this is plugged into, the graphics card, the PCI is actually 16, not X16. Then you've got like 1, I think it is. That's, I think, I'm not certain. Someone will probably need to tell me whether it is or not. But I think this is also 16. Yeah, it is actually. It says it there. This is 16. But if you have 2 graphics cards running off it, they both become 8. But yeah, obviously, if you've got SLI or Crossfire, you can run both. So yeah. And then you've obviously got your ones that go less and less. And in fact, no, it's got 3 Yeah, it's got 3 16 ones. It just becomes less as you use more graphics cards, obviously. Other than that, all I have left to do is just basically show you how well this works. So I'm going to do a Fraps recording of Crysis probably. So yeah, this is my system. Peace out. Oh, peace out, what the fuck. Never mind. Adios.
I see something. No! Energy critical. Energy critical. You American bitch. Maximum